So the next exercise that we work on after we've been working on getting our legs straight 5 to 10 minutes or so every hour is for strength. And we can do this from the same position. So we've been seated 5 to 10 minutes. We've been working on getting our knee very, very straight. Then the next thing that we're going to add to it is we're going to try to tighten our quadricep muscles. We're just going to kind of lock that knee even more. And then we're going to try to keep it straight as we lift it up, hold it for a second or two, and then back down and totally relax. And then we repeat it. We tighten these muscles, locks our leg, and while it's locked, we try to lift it, hold it for a second or two, and back down and relax. So you usually see this exercise early on. People do straight leg raises, but they're doing this right here and their knees bending. So the whole focus of this exercise is to work on keeping that knee locked, keeping it nice and straight as you lift it up, hold it there for a second or two, and then back down and relax.